Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. I need to inform you that I am pearl obsessed. Anything pearl at the moment. I am crazy for what Gucci's doing with pearls and of something in this haul with pearls, but I'm excited to get into this haul. You know, I have been online shopping nuts at the moment. Well, on my vlogs, I showed you my ASOS haul had come in. So I'm going to show you what I picked up from ASOS. This haul is going to be all of jewelry. I picked up a little bit of jewels from ASOS. So this is what their packaging is like when you pick up some jewelry or accessories, I'm guessing. In this first packet, we have earrings oh, these were beautiful. So again, they are like online stockists for brands, and these gorgeous, look at these are beautiful. So these kind of champagne-y peach chandelier drop hanging earrings come from Aldo. I saw those and I thought that was super elegant. Super, like, you know, feature if you're going to a wedding or somewhere really pretty. It just sets off your outfit. If you're doing an all black kind of ensemble like I'm doing today, it just gives it like the zhuzh. Really beautiful detail. You can sort of see some of the rhinestones and the pearl or sort of inspired pearl details here. It's got really pretty kind of filigree stones in the middle there, and I just love that kind of peachy beautiful tones. They're so girly and elegant. They came in at 30 Australian dollars, so on the Australian website they come in at $30. I'm sure they're a little less on the USA website, but that is them from Aldo. Okay, these bad boys you have seen. You saw these in my vlog when I unboxed them, and you also saw them in my Saint Laurent Lulu bag review that I did for you guys. Come on, how mage are these hoops? They are so big, they sit on my shoulders, I said that before. And they've got these gorgeous rhinestones or strass all the way around them. I like the closure on these. I love this sort of hoop closure where it flips up and then flips back down, connecting with the piece. I think it's just kind of really simple and doesn't hurt the ear. Close here you can see all of the strass, hopefully, all of the silver strass crystals. They go all the way around. So it's not like blank at the back and then some on the front. It's the entire hoop. And there you go. That gives you a size comparison for like a bracelet size, how big these hoops are. And on the site in Australian dollars, these came in at 28 Australian dollars. Okay, sticking with the, oh, and that they were ASOS brand. These two are ASOS brand, and sticking with hoops because look, I'm a bit obsessed. So how are these? Yes, honey. So these are also ASOS brand. They are the hoop earrings mini disc style, and these came in at 20 Australian dollars. These are quite nice, and yeah, they've got like, they're like so belly dancing vibes, right? Check that out with the little discs. Fantastic. So that was in my first pouch. In my second little pouch here, so in this one there was a couple more earrings and this necklace. I love dainty jewelry. I just love it. I think it is really pretty and makes a statement without it being, you know, too large and in your face. You know I'm an advocate for L&M jewelry, and this is like kind of something that I feel like my grandmother would have. They just bring vintage back ridiculously good these days. So it's a really delicate chain, a gold link chain, and then it's just got this motif pendant on the end of it, and I just thought it was really pretty and really dainty to know wear with high-necked shirts like this, or even just a t-shirt. So the double chain makes it look like it's a layered piece, but it's actually not. So really close, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a faux locket as well. It's meant to look like it's a locket, it could open, but it doesn't. But I think that's just really sweet and super like vintage. So these last two are a pair of hammered earrings, meaning like they've got like that hammered metal finish to them, and it's called Reclaimed Vintage. This is on the ASOS site. I wore these hoops in my Gucci, I wore these hoops with my Gucci tee in my Balenciaga unboxing. So you saw these in that video, but they're just like a crinkled, almost crinkled hammered look in the gold there. Really, really pretty. Then the last pair from this ASOS haul of jewels was from the same brand, Reclaimed Vintage. And again, it was this hammered pair of kind of like flat lay hoops. I might have to turn my lights down, hang on. You can see in this gold, and it's in this sort of a flat lay hoops with some discs, and I think they're just really, really nice. Kind of statement, but kind of a bit understated as well, not too in your face. Alrighty, so that is the ASOS part done. The next item I actually picked up off eBay. I have bought from Mel before. Her name is Mel. Hi babe. She owns the eBay shop Blush All Day. I have shopped from her before. I have spoken to her before. She is into luxury. She's on some of the Facebook groups. And I saw this come up on her eBay shop and was like, yes, yes honey, you know my rigmarole. So I can't be quite sure. Look, I don't really keep, I'm not a makeup guru, so I don't really keep up with the like beauty in Sephora of what they're stocking and whatnot. So I don't know if this collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy, if you don't follow Amra on Instagram, which I'm sure you all do, she's amazing. Amrezy is queen of makeup, queen of highlight. I will link her Instagram below. I'm sure you follow her. But I don't know if this came to our Sephora in Australia. Correct me if you do know, and I'm just not in the know. But when I saw it come up on Mel's shop, I picked it up straight away because I love a good highlight. And who else to get it from than Anastasia Beverly Hills collaboration with Amrezy highlight kit. Woo! Oh my gosh. The reason I love purchasing these palettes that these like social media gurus do collaborations with is because it supports them. It's all well and good to support a collaboration with, like, you know, an actual makeup artist or maybe a celebrity like the Kardashians or something, but to do it with a social media personality, I feel like it's just so much more close to home. So this is the ABH collaboration with Amrezy for her highlight palette, or her highlight, yeah, her highlight palette that they did together. So let's open it and swatch it. I brought my brushes down because I don't know if you can notice, but I don't have any highlight on, girl. So we're gonna do that together. It's really beautiful. It's like matte black, and it's got the Anastasia and the Amrezy in rose gold, which I already just... Rose gold. Anything rose gold at the moment, I'm just buying it because it's just so, oh, so beautiful and luxurious. So here is the palette. Wow, that's nice. So you've got the same on the front, really glossy in the high gloss kind of packaging, and then you've got kind of rose gold on the sides, and it's just got Amrezy on it, and it's the highlighter signature highlight kit. Ooh, girl. Wow. Wow. OMG. Oh my goodness. That is out of this world. Look at that. Stop. Amrezy, that is amazing. Hopefully the camera is picking this up. It's just divine. It's got like this wave effect to the way that the highlight's been pressed in. If you can see that, that is amazing. Let me swatch it. I think I'll swatch it on my finger first. Oh. And you see that? And my light's too bright on my middle finger there. That is beautiful. Wow. Oh my gosh. I'm so fair, so I mean, it's probably not going to really show up on my hand. Let's put this on my skin, on my face. Oh my lord. Are you guys seeing that? Ooh, girl. Wow, that is intense. Ooh, girl, that is amazing. That is lit. Wow, that is golden. Are you guys seeing that? Okay, so I will tell you first impressions, you have to break through the first, like the top layer. I really had to sort of scrub it with my finger to kind of like break off the top layer and then really get down to the payout. Once you get through, you can really get down to the payout a lot better. But wow, I love myself a mustache sweat line, so you don't need to tell me. That is fantastic. Congratulations, what a beautiful palette. Thank you so much to Mel for having this on your shop, because I'm so happy I picked it up. Okay, and lastly in this haul is this. In my vlog, where I picked up this PO box drop, I mentioned to Australians that Zara has gone online for Australia. And yes, I know someone commented, you know, Zara's been online for Italy and Europe since the beginning. Yes, but for like USA and Australia and Canada, Canada and UK and things like that, it came after, because Zara's based from Europe, so we all came after you guys, and Australia was like last, or one of last. But nevertheless, it is online. You can purchase from their online shop. And this purchase was thanks to my gorgeous friend, Kat. Hi, Kat. The Luxe Edit on Instagram. We are good friends. She lives in Perth. I wish we lived closer. Is the infamous in a Zara dust bag. That's nice too. That's cute. The infamous pair of pearl Zara combat boots. Whoa! No way! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, they look huge. So Kat told me they fit true to size. So I am hoping these fit. Oh, wow. They've got a little bit of muck on them. Hang on. Okay, I'll have to clean that off. There's a little bit of muck on the pearls. But this is them. These are the Zara Pearl Combat Boots, or yeah, Z boots, ZB ankle boots, I think. And I got them in the size 40 because Kat said they're true to size, but Zara don't do half sizes. And true size for me is 39.5 roughly. So I did choose to go up because they're boots and you can wear socks with them. Zara. Here is the details to show you. So they're basically just like a normal combat boot. So lace up. Like a Doc Marten style with these strap around straps, 3 of them, with the faux pearls and then buckles on this side. So you have faux pearls over the top and then buckles, and happily it all does up with a faux zip at the back. That's nice. Then you don't have to enter through the front of them, but you might have to loosen them just like the Star Trail. So there we go, it's got silver zipper detail at the back with a leather zipper pull. These are a full leather with rubber sole boot, that's good to know. And then it's kind of got like this nice studded, slight sort of dainty studded detail around the sides, that's cool. Okay, let's try these on and see if they fit. They are definitely, obviously, giving me Chanel vibes. Zara does do a lot of Chanel vibes with their tweed and everything. I think it's fantastic. These came in at 159 Australian dollars, so not bad for a pair of, I guess, high street boots, you would say. You would be paying a lot more in David Jones or other shoe stores like that. But let's try these on. Okay, so these are them on here. Woo! That was quite the struggle to get them on. I am not going to lie to you. It's not like the Star Trail where you undo and you can just kind of enter. You definitely have to undo these buckles pretty much maybe every time to get in and out. However, this leather is so soft and comfortable. I'm pretty sure it will even get softer over time. Look at it, it's like Balenciaga leather. It's so pretty. The zippers at the back, I'm not gonna lie, they're pretty stiff to undo and do up. You might have seen me struggle with that when I unboxed them. So getting them on the foot wasn't that easy. It definitely took a while, but man, they look good and they are comfy. They are true to size, however, I definitely wouldn't have gone for a 39, meaning going down half a size for me. The 40 is perfect. Yes, thanks Kat, what a find. I'm loving these. Such a great option for that kind of Chanel, Balenciaga combat boot inspired with a little bit of glam with the faux pearls. For, yeah, fraction of the price. High street prices, people. Hey guys, that is it. That brings me to the end of my online haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you liked my items, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to check the info box below. It has all of the links to the items that I show you guys, so you can shop these items too if you wish. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and wish to do so, guys, that would be so great. There is a button below with a bell next to it. If you hit that bell, you'll get notifications of all my new videos. I hope everybody is doing really well, guys. Take care. Peace.